If you're craving something a bit stronger than tea, the cafecito window at the Havana restaurant is sure to pack a punch. And even better, it's open 24 hours a day. The incredible smells coming from this place. The food, the coffee, and can you smell it? I can't wait to go inside and get a little taste of Cuba right here in the Palm Beaches. How am I doing?
You're doing great.
Right? I'm making all the right noises.
There
right?
you go.
You gotta
Oh,
make
yeah.
the
Oh,
noise
yeah.
to grow.
Maybe a little too much noise, but it's fine.
Okay, well, hey, that's what I do, a lot of noise. You want to go home? I got the rest of the night.
Yes, right?
This is not going to be the best coffee you ever had, but it's going to be an attempt. Okay? I'm doing the best I can. Look at that.
It's a dessert.
You had this before? It's very good, right?
Everything is good.
How long have you been coming here?
Oh God, years. This is the only place I get coffee.
Did you get anything else?
Sí.
Well, what'd you get?
Tostada.
Oh,
Tostada?
look at her throwing the Spanish at me. I'm Italian.
Me too.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Southern Italy.
Where?
Calabria.
Stop it! We're from the same place!
Really?
Yes! All right.
Well, it looks
Do I stir it?
Yes.
I stir it? Hold on, don't do anything.
Remember the tourists.
Hold on. I'm stirring. Oh.
There you go.
It's actually pretty good.
Oh!
Thank you.
How much am I getting paid today? So, I come in here, I make coffee, I'm in the kitchen, I'm talking to everybody here. It feels like a family.
I have servers 18 years, 15 years. I mean, our staff has been with us for a very long time.
Well, you know, it's the only place in the area that's 24 hours where you can walk up and get a...
Yeah.
And with a full menu.
Right?
At the window, different couples come in. You know, guy on this side, the other girl on that side. They meet.
No.
They got kids. The kids
Stop
are coming
it.
in. No. It's incredible.
They met at your window?
They come at the same time.
Your window's like Cuban Tinder,
Yeah,
right? Like
that's
your
it.
Cuban social
That-
media.
Oh, yeah.
All right, what's your signature dish?
Well,
Tell me what I'm
Let
looking
me tell you, the roast pork, when you taste it, you cooked it yourself.
Unbelievable.
We fresh sour oranges, and we make our own mojo.
All family recipes, right?
Yes,
Every one of them.
every one.
And then you top it off with the same.
With our
mean,
homemade
made-
sangria.
Everything made in house.
Everything made in house.
Everything's fresh.
Oh,
Let
Can
me
we
get my
cheers?
fork out. Oh yes, let's get a little bit of this. Let's get a bit. Oh, you too. Yes. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for having us. This is
Cheers.
great.